here are 8 legit ways to make money online.
No scam, no fluff.
Trust us, we talk to GoDaddy customers every single day who are using these strategies and making money.
Making money.
Right off the bat, you can get paid for your opinion by participating in paid market research.
Why have I never heard about this until this very moment?
You know, it's actually been around for a long time, and I know we're talking about online ways, but when I was a kid, I did some paid market research.
What?
So if you ever see bubblegum flavored toothpaste out there, that was me.
So companies pay people like you to go test their products and then provide an opinion, some feedback. And guess what? You're getting paid from the comfort of your couch.
You can also test apps. And before you ask, you do not have to be a tech wizard. Companies are looking for everyday users with little to no tech skills to do this kind of stuff.
And you can just register on user testing. I've done that. Or TestBirds is another good one. Basically, you get the app, you test the app, provide some feedback, and you get paid.
Got a special skill or something you're really passionate about? You can turn it into an online course.
People will pay to know what you know. So it could be like yoga, cooking, photography. They'll pay you. Just remember to know your niche, target your audience, price it right, and don't forget to promote it.
So what if you have a unique opinion and a lot to say? I'm just gonna point at you. You could start a podcast.
Podcasts can make you money through ads, subscriptions, even merch. Get the hats, get the t-shirts, get the pins.
It's a great way to get your voice out there.
Yeah, sure, it takes time, it takes consistency, but with a little bit of effort, you can get a steady stream of income.
Another way you can make money online is by becoming a virtual assistant.
Yeah, virtual assistants are in high demand because businesses have them help with admin tasks, e-commerce support, social media management. Doesn't stop there. Personal support too.
And it's really easy to get started. You just need to set up a profile on a platform like Upwork, Fiverr, or Facebook groups.
What are some other ways you can make money online?
You can become an online tutor. You can share your passion and your expertise with eager learners worldwide.
Yeah, and it's very rewarding. Plus, you can do it from the comfort of your home, so you have that added flexibility.
So whether it's math, languages, maybe it's science, there is always somebody out there who's willing to learn from you. Demand for online tutoring is growing.
ABL. Always be learning.
Just wondering where you were going with that.
Got a voice that people just love?
You know I do.
Oh God, that's one of our producers.
Who should consider doing voiceover work.
Yeah, because you can get paid to record ads, audiobooks, videos, you name it.
Yeah, you can just go to platforms like Voices or Fiverr to find gigs.
Yeah, you just need a good mic. Like, should we take one of these?
Another fun way to make money online, I love this one, you can find hidden gems at thrift stores or Facebook Marketplace or even clearance sales and flip them online.
It's like a treasure hunt without the booby traps.
Booby traps!
That's what I said, booby traps.
And this is just reselling items on platforms like eBay or Poshmark. So whether it's gadgets or vintage finds, there's a market for it.
Absolutely.
So there you have it. 8 legit ways, meaning 8 tried and true ways you can make money online.
I trust you, but if you want more info, click on the link in the description below.
I mean, hey, we probably could have made some money in the time it took us to film this video.
Wait, we're not making money right now?
Maybe next time on The Journey.